kmi ia katnat ki kampen roisor uba snyo balangdhar. Ulong ba ka sarkar jala kan salum ya ka jingelang ha katayo banwan banyakren halor ka jingpin kenria ya ki laispa so po artli ki longyeng ki basyong basa hatem yaw maulong. Kajing aipor siya ka harjan panchayat committee banjubab ya kajing terwa ka sarkar ha ka bayday bat katay ka benta kalakut nadu ka shpautrik ubnayayong. Hakawai kalyang nalor kimat bayday ba kajing pentrikam ya ka roster system. Usembut mendirang ba ulakular ba ka sarkar kan sa shim ya karay ka babyang tam da ka babanjur ba anhap shim lang ya kajing pensngaw jong baro ha kajing ya keren halor kajing pentrikam ya ka roster system. Bat kajing dawa ban kmi bnya ya ka bha tongkam jong ka jala jong usnam syajar kandai spa nyupoar.
Next week we'll be having a meeting to discuss. You can ask from the Heritage Committee, why you ask from me? We are waited for the reply. You can ask them, not to me. It's my responsible to give them. Okay, is they responsible to reply me? If not, we will discuss at the government level what to do. Simple as that.
Since the outcomes taking a deadline,
We are yet to decide on that. Don't worry.
but the High Court has said if the government can resolve this within this month.
We are trying. That is the meaning of it. We try to resolve at the earliest if everything's fall into place. We have to take everything on board. I think government will have a meeting. And maybe like MDA, and maybe I think CM will take care of this.